Hey, welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So on today's video, let's talk about people before profits. So what do I mean by that? Well, I think for the majority of people who start out on YouTube, they actually want to make this their full-time thing sometime in the future. And whether they realize it or not, they're actually starting a business. They're going into an entrepreneurial journey. So let me give you some examples of why this is the case. So let's start off with the product and service. And so the product in this case are the videos that you are creating. All the content is the products that you're providing to people. Secondly is marketing. And so things such as your titles, description, tags, thumbnails, your brand, all of these things are related to marketing. And next we have sales. So in this case, your revenue is initially going to be generated through ads on your YouTube videos, and then later on you can actually provide products and services if you have some type of business behind it. And then finally is your customer base. So in this case, it is your subscribers and your community. So all of these things that are in YouTube are exactly the same components in a business. And so where does this whole concept of people before profits come in? Well, just think about all the products and services that you use on a daily basis. So companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesla, Amazon, and countless many other businesses all around the world, because there's practically no product or service that doesn't involve a business. Now, some of you might be thinking that all these big businesses are only focused on profits first before people. But let me give you an example of why that isn't the case. So let's take a company like Amazon. Millions upon millions of people use Amazon every single day all around the world. But what would happen if Amazon did not deliver your products? Or maybe they got your order wrong and they didn't give you a refund, or they charge you for something that you did not buy and they didn't give you your money back. Would you still be using Amazon? Well, the simple answer is no. And all of these businesses that I just mentioned a little bit earlier, they all do the same thing. They focus on the people, and they focus on providing products and services that people actually value. Because that's really the mark of a successful business, where they provide value to people so that they continue using their products and services. And then when it comes to YouTube, it's the same thing. So if you didn't already know, Google owns YouTube. And there's a reason why YouTube is the dominant video platform, and practically there's no competition out there, even though very big companies like Facebook and Microsoft has tried, because YouTube provides the best service and tools for creators. Now, when it comes to you as a YouTube business, it is the same thing. And so whenever you're thinking about people before profits, that means you're focusing on the people coming to your channel, your subscribers, your community. And even though there's definitely creators out there who focus on making money first, well, after a certain point, they're no longer going to be in the YouTube business, because people are going to be going somewhere else where they get more value from. And so those are my thoughts on adopting a people before profits mindset and how that directly relates to your YouTube business. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.